Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our comparison review with its design, specs, and UI, this time we are going to compare the offered features. So we will have a comparison review side by side with its menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables when it comes to features, watch this video, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and compare the features of the HMD Watch P1 versus the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. So we have here, let's go first with the design. Then let's have the UI. And of course the main menu. Just press the power button here. We have here the workout. We also have here the workout function, the activities, sports activities. But in terms of the sports activities, the HMD Watch P1 do have more sports functions, 700 plus sports functions. For the Infinix, let's see, do we have some details here? Okay, we don't have any details about the sports functions, but I think we do have a comprehensive list also, but not 700 plus sports functions. We also have here a Bluetooth call. We also have activity record. Where's our daily activity? Alarm. Okay. Or it's here. Okay, so this is the daily activity, automatic activity tracking. We also have a heart rate, the blood oxygen. We also have a sleep monitoring. Okay. Also have a breathing exercises. We have here a one-tap measurement, as you can see. We don't have it here, okay, on our HMD Watch P1. We have message notifications, as you can see. Stopwatch. We have a timer. We also have here an alarm. Flashlight. We have a camera control. We also have it here. Yes, we have it here. Music control. And settings, voice assistant, games. As you can see, we also have here a voice assistant, but we don't have. Do we have a weather report? I don't see a weather report here, but we have it here. We also have here a calendar, as well as a Pomodoro timer and a calculator. We don't have it here. We also have here an e-card. So there's more features here for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro compared to our HMD Watch P1. But when it comes to sports functions, more sports functions is available for our HMD Watch P1 compared to the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. Okay, let's check out the settings. So here are the settings. Okay, as you can see, there's more options for our Infinix. We have a drain, we have a password or pin code support, and sound and vibration. We also have it here, I think, and display. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of our HMD Watch P1 compared with our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.